Castro. Welcome to Ninong TV.
Hello,
Like
guys.
watching from Facebook and YouTube subscribers. Today is a special video vlog na ating
It's because-
itatampok
and it's
dahil
because-
nandito tayo ngayon sa
Enchanted Kingdom!
Ngayon, with baby princess and her sister and the family. Okay, actually nakapunta na rin ako dito many times since grade 1 into 2005 until 2017. And
now,
almost nasa 8 years ago halos, no? 7 years. Nandito ako ulit
I
sa
didn't even
EK.
exist yet.
At ngayon, first time ni Baby Princess na makakaranas dito sa ating
I'm
EK
excited
rides.
because there's a roller
Kasama natin yung mga
coaster!
classmates natin. May mga field trip, oh. Ayun. Shout out sa ating mga students. Magpi-field trip sila and then the rides. Ayun. Excited na si Baby Princess na mag-ride dito sa ating EK. Ayun. So, kaway-kaway ka naman, Aya, sister. Okay. So, napakaganda ng weather ngayon natin dito. Hopefully, hindi umulan. Para happy ang mga gusto. Diba? Kung uulan man, ulan ng happiness. Yan ang maganda. Happiness ang ating madidiscover dito sa EK with your Ninong and the family. Diba? It's a great blessing to start this day for a ride, a play day with your family. And actually, ang vlog title natin for today muna is Ninong Goes to Enchanted Kingdom. Ano nga bang meron dito sa Enchanted Kingdom? For your idea, what's all about EK?
Okay?
Oo, Enchanted Kingdom.
So there's a lot of rides. There's a roller coaster and more rides.
Okay. So, ang meaning ng ating EK or Enchanted Kingdom is a theme park in the Philippines. It is located along RSBS Boulevard, San Lorenzo Road, Santa Rosa, Laguna. It has a long area of 25 hectares and 62 across managed by EK. Okay.
Maybe don't go here in April because it's gonna be summer and it's already so hot in here.
Okay lang yon, seasonal naman ang EK. Kahit Pasko, bagong taon, tag-araw, tag-ulan.
It's
Basta
still Valentine's Day.
happiness, ay oo, Valentine's din.
You're wearing red.
O Chinese New Year pa.
I'm just
Oh.
happy.
So, check it out, our special tour, pasyalan, food trip, anything dito sa Enchanted Kingdom. Ito yung aming first na ira-ride. Magra-ride kami
Hello!
sa fountain na ano, may yung may roller coaster na may tubig. So, wish us luck with the sisters.
Yes, I can wait.
Ayun na, pasakay kami dito sa rumaragasang baha. Ayun, row yo boat. Ayun, no? Grabe, oh. So, testing namin ngayon yan.
Basa.
Ito bagong ligo ang dinong nyo. Nanginginig kami. Tignan nyo naman, oh. Halos umakit na kami ng langit. Pataas pababa. Tignan nyo, ganda. Ayan. Oh, ang ganda. Intense ng ating experience at naligo na rin ako.
Guys! Where's the
Super happy.
Thank you so much. An enchanting afternoon to everyone.
Once again, we are Kingsmen, and we are here to serenade all of you this amazing afternoon. Yes, and before we move on, we would like to greet everyone. Happy Valentine's Day! Yes. So, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And remember, be the magic, be enchanted.
Be the best every day. Nandito naman kami sa SM Cinema, ay ST sa Rialto pala. Magsisini kami, nagagalaw-galaw ang upuan. So it's just like a 3D, parang IMAX na rin. So manonood kami ng Happy Families, just like a family of packs. So we will watch a cinema, nagagalaw yung upuan. Reality, di ba? Ayan. So we will check it out in minutes. Ayan sila. Another experience. Nakaupo nga kami pero parang lumilipad kami, no?
Yeah.
What's your experience? Oh. Wala siyang masabi. Super.
Para movie!
Yes, para tayong movie.
3D glasses, let's see if you're 3D.
Oo, nakita mo yung friends mo
Kuya,
doon?
you're 3D!
Nakita mo yung friends mo doon?
No, there's no, I don't have any lights.
Ano naman kayang next na aming mas mararide dito sa EK? So ngayon naman, ang next na ride namin ay ito. Ayan. Roller coaster. Mga sinusundo na talaga ako. Ang mga rides namin, puro pang fly away. Tama man, gusto na nila to. So, wish me lang talaga itong kakaibang experience ng ninong nyo with the family. So, ito muna tayo. So, our next ride will be the roller coaster with the family. At dito na naman mag-test ang aming kakayahan. aming family.
You sit down here.
Ngayon po ay naghihintay muna kami ng aming menu, katabi namin ng concert hall. Baka may magpa-concert dito sa tabi namin. Baka si RG. Ayan. Okay, so the people having a food trip with Princess Kawai Baby.
Hello.
Ano kakainin mo?
Shakey's.
Ikaw ay. Parang hindi ka makita.
Alam nyo anong orderin ko? Shakey's, Shakey's, spaghetti at garlic bread.
Wow, sarap naman. Okay, so kakain muna ang family and after that, madidiscover natin na ang The Great Place dito sa Enchanted Kingdom. Ako, grabe. Nakakahilo. Ano pa kayong next na pangpahilo ay pangpa-happiness na mararanasan dito?
Yeah, roller coaster. Ito yung trick para hindi matakot. Close your eyes or yung tenga at i-hold still. Hold
Oh,
still.
baka pagising natin na sa galaxy tayo niyan.
Hindi. Di ako natakot. Di ako nag-scream.
Ako nga rin, nagpipiling ko nagbabarilan tayo kay Tanggol eh. Diba? Habang lumilipad, binabaril natin si David. si Don Emilio.
David?
Don Ramon ba yun? Ayun. So next, ano pa ang ating next na masasakyan?
Di natin alam.
Ayun, we are still live here sa EK. Life, maganda, happiness, nakaka-revive, nakakabuhay. Wag lang masobrahan. Baka nasa ibang mundo na tayo. But anyway, very happy. Still, research pa rin ng ating family activity dito. Okay.
Kuya, may gulo
Okay, 1, 2, 3, start.
Hold up, hold up.
Okay lang yan. Kunwari galing sa ride. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Thank you for watching. At
Yes.
Mula Pass, dito po nagtatapos ang ating video vlog na Ninong Goes to Enchanted Kingdom. Diba? After many years, muli tayo nakabalik. After pandemic, mga
The roller
nagdaang
coaster
mga
was so good.
weather forecast and any tragedy ng ating mga buhay, ay nagbalik ike ang ninong nyo.
Hey, the
Together
roller coaster was so
with the family, at hanggang ngayon ay dinulubog pa rin ang Enchanted Kingdom as our amusement park. Kung sa Hong Kong, sa Japan, sa Amerika, meron tayong Disneyland doon. Dito,
That's
sa
where Mother
Pilipinas,
Clasha is.
meron
She's in Hong
tayong
Kong Disneyland.
Enchanted Kingdom, diba? Na ating ipinagmamalaki.
I can
Philippine
see the roller
tourism. To support our tourism and business through this vlogging. Subscribe Ninong TV, like and share, comment, and buy this video vlog for only 150 pesos and 80 pesos for screen record. And especially kung kayo po ay naghahanap ng mga mapapasyalan, lalo't pa summer na naman, at mga vacation, meeting, dito na kayo sa EK. Mag-enjoy na kayo, matututo pa kayo. Together with our great ambience. Shout out sa inyo, people at the back. Ito, may mga students tayo dito. Because Ninong TV is made for the students. Ayan. They are the students who having their field trip today here at Enchanted Kingdom with different schools. Ayan. Goodbye and thank you.
Thank you.